We've had the Haas VF-2SS with a robot now for about 1.5 years. We bought it as a tool to allow our operator to be able to go between more machines. If you have short cycle times, it gives maybe 20 minutes of run time in between somebody having to go over there and change parts or reload the table. I'm Adam Holman, the General Manager of Airmate, located in Bryan, Ohio. The part that you're seeing there today is just a small valeting part. We usually run 150 to 300 of them at a time. It's a UHMW part. It's a wear component that goes inside of a conveyor system. It does have a pretty nice bearing finish on it, but by setting that machine up, it allows for about a 45-minute cycle before it runs through all the parts. It is nice because our production goes home before our office. If we do have something running on it, it can sit there and keep running, and then we can shut it off at the end of the day when we go home. Robot is currently loading parts right now into an e-vise. It's pretty user-friendly. You go in, change a couple settings, and clamp pressure, that type of thing, and you're really up and running pretty quick. We also have a gravity loader mounted to the side of our robot cage. We kind of designed and made that to accommodate a job that we can just drop parts in from the outside of the machine and then have the robot toss them onto a ramp that shoots the parts outside of the machine to keep the machine running without having to go in and unlock the fence. We made an aluminum table to sit on top of the Haas table. This allows us to make a template on one of our other GR machines, throw a piece of plastic up there by vacuum, cut that template out, and we now have a template for that job. What we're doing is actually making the template, saving the template, and then you're able to rethrow that back on there the next time that job comes up. It's kind of like saving a part program. The Haas machines has really helped us improve our profitability and our lead time for jobs. Having the variety of the equipment that we have now has enabled us to bring back in-house all the manufacturing work that we did outsource. Because before we got the machines with vices and maybe some of the bigger vacuum tables like the Haas's, we did outsource some parts. So we've actually brought all that back in, don't outsource anything anymore, cut our costs in that sense.